Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Muhammad Nur Aiman bin Ismail. So, today I'm gonna talk about the topic, the effect of alcohol to mental and physical. So, the writer and the author, Ernest Hemingway, once said that an intelligent man is sometimes forced to be drunk to spend time with his food, which is means that the alcohol is not good for ourselves. So what is the negative effect of alcohol? Okay, alcohol is the perfect solvent. It dissolves marriages, families, and careers. So before we go, what is the effect of alcohol? We must know what is alcohol. So alcoholic beverage contains ethanol, which is a compound that belongs to a group of drugs that can suppress the functioning of central nervous system. It can also delay the physical and mental reaction of the drinker. Besides, ethanol is also a drug that can bring dependency or addiction if taken daily. So, once we drink, alcohol is absorbed into the bloodstream through the surface of the stomach and intestine. A small part will continue go to the brain and the lung and be excreted through breathing, while most alcohol will be metabolism by the liver and excreted by the kidney through urine. The example of alcohol are like red wine, white wine, beer, vodka, whiskey, and so on. Okay, so now we will go to what is the effect of alcohol for our mental. So the effect of alcohol on his drinker depends on the amount of alcohol that is in the circulation of the person's blood. So drinkers who take a large amount of alcoholic beverage will get drunk. When drunk, one will lose the coordination of motion and also interference to the consideration and sanity of mind. They can fall, suffer accident, fights, injury, and memory breakout, which are complications or short-term harms associated with alcohol consumption. Another effect of alcohol is known as hangover. hangover. So, the sign of alcohol hangover include headache, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, bowel movement disorder, and shaking for several hours, depending on the amount of alcohol in the blood at the time. So hangover sign will disappear when all the alcohol in the blood circulation has been excreted from the body. Okay, then alcohol also harm to the nervous system and the brain. It's the most reported long-term effects of alcohol in adults. Among the effects of alcohol on mental health are behavioral and mental disorder, anxiety and confusion, dependence on alcohol, temporary or permanent loss memory, depression, suicidal tendency, and psychosis. Moreover, the alcohol also can affect our physical and organs, which is because of the continuous consumption of alcoholic beverage, especially if taken in large quantities, can have a toxic effect on the organs of the body. So the toxic effect of alcohol can cause the cirrhosis of the liver and liver function failure, heart failure, gastritis, ulcer, inflammation of the pancreas, and the cancer of the oropharynx tract. So all of these are among the complication or long-term effect of the harm to alcohol health. So for the pregnant woman, premature death can occur as a result of failure of function of these body organs. So scientific studies have also shown a link between consumption of alcoholic beverage, on pregnant women with fatal defects and abnormalities contained, which is fetal alcohol syndrome. Then the standard death can also be if alcohol is consumed in excessive amount at a time until the blood alcohol is too high, which can cause poisoning or disturb the respiratory system. Okay, next, this is the statistic from the National Health and Morbidity Survey in 2019. So as you can see, 11.8% of nations drink alcohol. One in the two is binge drink, and one in the 10 is practice HED. So it, in this statistics show that 3 million deaths from harmful use of alcohol globally every year. So this is according to WHO. Death caused by alcohol inhalation is by the road traffic injury, liver cirrhosis, and cancer. Okay, then this is the graph of the drunk driving accidents in Malaysia. So as you can see, the graph is increased from 2010 until 2016, and the graph is decreased from 2016 until 2018. So as you can see, the highest case is in 2016, which is 461 case. The death is 237. The serious injury is 130, and the minor injury is 111. So the lowest case is on the 2010, which is 83 case, 49 death, 3 serious injury, and 31 minor injury. So this is the graph of the drunk driving accident in Malaysia from 2010 to 2018. Okay, next for the conclusion, those who take alcoholic beverage should know the risk they face as a result of their alcohol intake patterns. Therefore, they should meet with health personnel to assess their level of risk. Those who drink in a large quantity of alcohol, that is the quantity that causes them a high risk of getting harm from alcohol, need to change their drinking habits. Early interventions and treatments can prevent and reduce the alcohol harm. Okay, for the Muslim, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala stated clearly His provision in the Quran. You who believe intoxicants, all kinds of alcoholic drinks, gambling, al-ansab, and al-azlam, arrows for seeking luck or decisions, are an abomination of Shaitan's handiwork. So, avoid strictly all the abomination in order that you may be successful. Surah Al-Ma'idah, Juz 5, verse 19. So, before I end my speech, remember, alcohol is not the answer. It's just when you forget the question. So, stop drinking alcohol and thank you. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri and bye-bye.